Jesus Christ is the perfect Son of Man. Over and over in the Gospels, you see this phrase, the Son of Man, the Son of Man, the Son of Man, the Son of Adam. He is the Adam that Adam failed to be. He's the only example of a perfect human, and God in His grace gives us that example, not in a perfect world, but in a sinful world. How are we restored? If we recognize that we have fallen from that original creation, if we recognize that there is a restoration that needs to happen, how are we restored? Is it simply by studying the blueprints and then studying the life of Jesus Christ? No. No, how are we restored? We're restored because the God who created all things begins a new creation in us and does so through His Son, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is not only the perfect Son of Man, but He's also the Son of God. His work on the cross, where God put on Him the sins of us all. His work on the cross makes possible the work of divine restoration. And then He makes it a reality by sending His Spirit to effectually begin that divine restoration. God has said, rather than leaving all of humanity dead in sins, I will choose and predestine people who once were dead in sin, dead in trespass, and I will make them new. I will conform them to the image of my Son, Jesus Christ. I will do it. That's the gospel of Jesus Christ. That's what we're called to believe. That by faith in Jesus Christ, we are forgiven and we are made new. That by faith in Jesus Christ, the Spirit of God takes hold of us and says, all right, you are now a work in progress. What is human? Who am I? Well, by faith in Jesus Christ, I'm a divine restoration project. God's working on me. He's working on me by His Word. He's working on me by His Spirit. He's working on me through my life. He's working on me not only individually, He's working on me and showing me how I'm supposed to live in relationships. He's working on me within this wonderful context of the Church of Jesus Christ, where He's working. He's working with me, He's working with you, and He's working with you. And He will do so until the final day when we are glorified.